Alright, hey guys, I hope everyone's having a good day today. Today we're going to be taking a look at a product called AnimaSlides 1.0. It's going to be launching tomorrow, which is going to be September 17th, and it's going to launch at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. AnimaSlides is a product that allows you to make original, modern, cutting-edge presentations in just minutes. It's going to be giving you the opportunity to create a professional quality presentation that has the power to increase customer trust and promote your brand and majorly boost your sales. So let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. Alright, so the most user-friendly premium quality PowerPoint templates on the market. So you're going to be able to make premium level presentations with no tech skills. You absolutely have to have 0 skills to be able to operate this product. So it's going to include a vector, HD animation, images, fonts, and more in package. So you literally have endless opportunities and limitless options while you're editing your videos and you're creating your PowerPoint presentations. So let's look at the pricing, guys. So you can get the early bird deal, which means the price will go up for every copy sold. So that's gonna really be, it's gonna be essential for you guys to get in early on the 17th and secure your copy immediately before the price starts rising, because every person that purchases is gonna cause an upgrade in the price for the next people buying. The max price the product will reach will be $21 until September 22nd, which is going to be the closing day. The early bird period will close, and AnimaSlides will rise to $24. Alright, so the front end is going to be $17. It's pretty cheap, but it has a lot to offer for you. This is going to be the world's most user-friendly interactive PowerPoint templates right at your hand on the front end, right in your fingertips. This comes with 800 plus pre-made templates and 40 plus categories. Here's a sales page for it. All right. Here it is, early bird deal. It'll rise up to $37, so it won't last forever, guys. So I would definitely secure it if you're interested. All right, some cool stuff here. I'll let you look at this. Makes dynamic, gorgeous presentations super easily, guys. Jeez. All right, that's really cool. Gonna increase your business turnover, bond with your audience, win over customer trust, get more leads, secure a more grounded audience for your business. All right, I'll highlight some important parts from here. Okay. So it'd be a headache if you guys went on this journey alone to make these presentations for yourself. Multi-purpose templates, professional designs, one-click drag and drop tool is really helpful. All right, go ahead and click out of that. All right, so the one-time offer, AnimaSlides Premium is going to be $37, and AnimaSlides Premium upgrades are here, guys. It gives you 2,500 plus new PowerPoint templates, complete developers' rights, and more hot bonuses. Let's take a look. Amazing bundle deal of AnimaSlides, stunning templates. No monthly charges, no hidden costs, and no more wasted money. 67. Comes with 464 plus new templates for more than just presentations. All right. These are some examples of the video templates. Very high resolution. Definitely really cool. All right. The second one-time offer, $67. The bundle edition. It's gonna include amazing extra templates like creative banners, animated videos, and video design, all on a major discount. Go ahead and take a look at this last one. It's the last offer, guys. The price would stay at $297 forever, so that is crazy. For only $67, that discount is mental, guys. Definitely take a look at that if you get the chance. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the demo for you. I'll walk you through it. I'm gonna leave the sound off just in case there's any copyright or anything. It's just gonna be a little music tune anyways, so you guys probably don't want to hear that. Just sit back and take a look at this so you guys get a view. It's a few minutes long, but I'll include it just for you guys so you can kind of see what you're getting yourself into. I'm gonna make it go a little bit faster. So as you can see, there's a lot of tools integrated in here that makes the process go so much more smooth and quick compared to how it would be if you actually just did it by yourself. And again, the front end is only $17, guys. It's really cheap, and it's going to take your presentations to the next level. And no one wants a campaign that's not professionally composed. You're not going to get the results that you were imagining if you do not have a quality presentation. As you can see, it's really easy to navigate. All right, let's go ahead and get back over here. All right, so now let's take a look at your bonuses. So when you purchase this product, automatically you're going to get all of these bonuses right here. So you're going to get 10 free bonuses, which is going to be 20 vertical banners, 20 trifold templates, 20 resume templates, 10 company profile templates, 20 name tag templates, 20 plus presentation templates, modern video templates, all of these, and then I've also got this page right here, which is my oh, well, that's not. Hang on. Yep. All right. All right. Here's my special bonus for 100% free, guys. If you buy through me, through my affiliate link that I will include in the description, you are going to get all of these. That's not loading for some reason. You're going to get all of these. So, all right. Here we are. This is important, guys. So buy any AnimaSlides Pro via my link and get my exclusive bonuses once it goes live on Thursday, September 17th at 10 a.m. Your purchases, after your purchase is complete, sorry guys, your bonuses will be waiting for you inside the JVZoo customer portal and or member area. All right, so you get that, and on top of this, guys, I've stated this before in my last video. I also include a link in the description that can take you to a free ebook. You'll be able to grab the free ebook, download it at no cost to you, and you'll also be receiving updates on new products, softwares that are coming out that are going to help you, that are really useful, and a good price for what it gives you. So you're going to be getting that, and throughout the weeks I will be sending out bonuses as well from those products. So you really have a chance to have unlimited bonuses if you buy through me, guys. All of these reviews that I'm doing include bonuses, and you're just going to keep getting bonuses as you continue to review or take a look at my product reviews. Alright, so just scrolling through all the bonuses that you get, because there's a lot of them, guys. Alrighty, so here's the customer support for you. This is the vendor of the product right here. This is his email. That's a support URL if you need anything. And guys, this product is really going to be useful for your business. It's going to help you capture more leads and get more clients. And all in all, it's just going to make your presentations so much more powerful to the audience that you distribute them out to. Alright, so that's going to conclude this video for today. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.